That is 10 times better than everything else we've done, dude.
That hurts, man. Dude, that is cool.
Right now we're working on a graphic design. Here's what we got. It's actually pretty sick. We got Kyle over there working. There's a lot of little goodies throughout this. It looks sick. Yeah, so behind me where the TV's at, that's gonna go through right there to the door. If you look, it's gonna come all the way through there. That's on that side. RC's right behind me. And then we got the door. Boom, right there. We're gonna have the door. That's gonna be the door. That looks so nice. So excited. I can't wait to just print it and get it hung up. Yeah, it's gonna be a game changer. Hector, you wanna see this?
Yeah, the colors are all better. The RC window films pops out more.
Yeah, it looks, dude, that's it.
And, like the background.
Yeah, that's it.
There's like details on on the buildings and all that.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, send it. Yeah, that's fine. Just send it full scale. I think it limits you to 2 gigs. But like what we'll do is, yeah, see if you could send it. Yes, make sure you embed everything because I want to limit the amount. I probably have gone through 10, 15 feet of vinyl. All right, so we got this going. We're about to print this file. And as you notice right here, it is set up to print. Boom. So it's printing. The file looks like this. Took forever to load up, but I think it looks sick. So we got the printer going back here. Now it's warming up right now. Check this out. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Way better. Oh yeah, bro. It's way better. Holy cow. Yeah, that was spot on, dude.
Oh, Bugs Bunny.
Hell yeah, dude. That is 10 times better than everything else we've done, dude. Like, the first few, like I can pull it up. So the first few didn't turn out like that good. At least I wasn't a fan of it. But this is what it was at first. So like the color was all off. Took some time to get it right. And we weren't really happy with it. But as you can tell, I've been at the office for the last 2 days. And yeah, dude, I couldn't be happier. Like, I genuinely, could you? No. I mean, that's sick, dude. It turned out so good. So juiced. Not let it gas out.
Kyle Nappet.
Damn it, bro. He didn't answer. So, no, I mean, like here, like you did good. Like it looks good, but it couldn't be better.
Let's nail it. No, dude, absolutely. All right, send me a...
No, maybe you didn't hear me. Let me say that again. It looks good, and it couldn't be better.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it came out great, dude.
That hurts, man.
Nah, dude, it came out good.
Fuck yeah, that's awesome. We're positive. You don't want to do any other color tests?
I had to blast off an email real quick. Let me show you. You ready? FaceTime real quick? All right, so that's what I mean. Like, I mean, it didn't come out great. See what I'm saying?
That's it? Oh, dude, you're a liar.
Hold on. There you go.
Dude, that is cool.
It's printed pretty big, too.
Yeah.
So, like, I can actually show you.
Oh, dude, there's a little Vicky.
Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, so epic. I know, Smokesing. There he is, yeah. Oh, no, dude, that's so cool.
Like everything populated, you know?
Totally. Oh, worked perfect.
That's good. I mean, like this has a very like blue, you know what I'm saying? So I looked at this and I was like, well, if this matches well, then and the colors here being green, then the rest really color matches right. You know, with the shadow of the RC too. Like, I mean, the fact that like Mickey is like spot on too. Like, I looked at that and I was like, well, all the colors, if it was off, those would be off.
Yeah.
So, I mean, this has more of a natural tone to Lady Liberty too.
Yeah.
That like, I think, what was it, bronze?
Oh, yeah, she's copper, right?
She's copper, so that's the patina on copper.
Yeah. Totally.
So, yeah, it's solid. And now here's the thing, right? So let me show you. I'll go run back in there.
Got it.
You got it?
Happening now.
Sweet. All right, boom. So here's the file. Huge, right?
Yeah.
So,
Starts all zoomed in like that. Really,
all right.
totally washed up.
A little bit washed out, right? But watch this. See this little, like this guy right here?
Yeah.
Soft proof. Now watch. See what happened?
Yeah.
See how it brightened it up?
Uh-huh.
So that's how it's going to print. In accordance with all the files and everything, that's how it's going to print. See what I'm saying? That's why it matched so well in the back.
So there's the
But
full
that's the
thing.
full image. So
Well, that's the full image, but these black lines indicate the walls.
that's actually about right on this one, because the other one was the other one was 210, right? 210.
210.5, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's, hold on. So these 4 panels for sure fit, and then this panel right here,
It's probably going to be cut.
it's gonna overlap. Yeah, it's gonna overlap on them. So the way you do wraps is you're gonna start right here, right? You want to start in the center. So I'm gonna start with doing these centers first. Okay, then I'm gonna work my way to the left and get this hung, and then I'm gonna work my way to the right and get this hung. You don't want to start off at the edges, because if you do, you fuck things up.
Yeah, then you end up finding the middle isn't in the right spot. Totally.
So we shall see. We're probably gonna put it up for print today.
Okay, cool. I want to come in and see it. Can I come in, do you think tomorrow or maybe Friday better? What are you thinking?
Yeah, Friday works. What time you thinking?
I was thinking 10, if that's cool with you. I mean, I can do earlier. I mean, earlier is even better.
No.
6 a.m. Come on, I'm gonna be there.
You're high. You're high as a kite. I'm like, dude, I wish. Yeah, 10 o'clock. That works.
Sweet. 10 a.m. Friday.
Cool, man. I'll see you then.
All right, awesome.
All right, dude.
Forward to it.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, man.
Yeah, of
Bye.
course.